these come on. But I appreciate you putting me on a good spot. Even the food people, I don't know, even sometimes they block you, but it's okay. But I would advise you.
Man, this Lil Rec, all y'all can hit me up on Facebook, you feel me? Hookies be tripped, man, you feel me? It's Lil Rec on Facebook, hit me up, all the BBs, yeah.
How'd you hear about the event?
I think it's amazing. Better than last year. From you watching your TV on, was that Fox 5?
Fox 5.
Fox 5.
Well, thanks for coming out. We've been for 14 years.
And I'm loving every year that this is my husband, Jeffrey. Jeffrey's his Charles.
How you doing, Jeffrey? Channel 13, KTNV, you want to say thank you to Channel 13?
Pardon me?
Channel 13 was our promotional partner.
Yes, it was.
They're the lead on this event for the last 13 years.
And I'll be back next year too.
All right, see you soon.
Okay.
All right.
Bam on it.
Once again.
That's right. 2014.
I respect that. Hey, Sweet Lou Collins again with my incredible person, Jackie from Ice Style Barbershop, doing phenomenal things. You know, she's the truth. She's the truth. Big heart, gives back to the community. Definitely. It's a pleasure to see Lou to be in the presence of greatness, doing a phenomenal thing out here. Taste the Soul 2014.
Taste the Soul 2013.
14.
Yeah, my bad.
14.
2014, the 13th anniversary.
That
is what I was trying to say. An outstanding turnout as usual.
Out of all the barbers in Las Vegas, you are the first barber to ever engage in the community and come out and support Taste and Sounds of Soul. How does it feel to be the first barber out here?
It just feels great. I don't even have words to describe it. Just a beautiful turnout, a beautiful experience, and I'm just thankful that I was put in this situation to execute it.
Is this good for your business?
I'm sorry?
Is this good for your business?
I think so. I think it made a great impact.
How was it good for your business? How?
We were out here cutting on the spot, and the people that we cut were, you know, people probably was out of town or trying to get to the event and didn't have, you know, their final touches, and that's what I was here for.
As a leader in the field of being a barber and a business owner, what advice do you have for other upcoming business owners in the barber business?
Take your craft serious, number one.
Wow.
That's first and foremost. It's not a piece of paper, it's not a game, it's an art, and it's a tool to get you to the next level. That's if they want to go to the next level.
How does a brother get with Iced Out when you have been basically commandeered by our main man, Floyd Money Mayweather?
Well, you know,
Incredible.
first of all, nothing is impossible. You know, just stay focused and believe in yourself. Because if you believe in yourself, anything can happen.
Again, how do we get an appointment with Jackie Starr of Iced Out
Just
Barbershop?
call me. My number been the same since I touched down. Same number in Las Vegas, 355-8548. I'll let you go.
And it's all about class, man. She represents class. So when you have brothers like Floyd Mayweather, classy fella, deals with class. Class recognized class. And so when we talking about the first day of school, she's a class act, man. Iced Out, no doubt.
I appreciate it.
Iced Out, no doubt. That's what it's all about.
2014,
Sweet Lou Collins.
13, Taste the Sound of Soul. See you next year.
It's a
Better
wrap.
be there.
How does it feel?
Hey, man! You heard me? Hey, did you film last year when you had us on that commercial?
That's right. We're the rim.
Yeah, right here. Hey, come on, man.
Oh, no.
Hey, he filmed us last year. On
How does it feel to be at the 13th annual Taste and Sounds of Soul by
Hey,
Channel 13?
You doing a video?
How does it feel?
I love it. My little brother and them. What they call this?
Roadkill, brother.
Roadkill is the best.
John Mule, Chuck Frommer.
John Mule. I love it.
Why do you
We
love
have
it? Why
good food.
why do you love it? Good
Because,
food?
I mean, you know, the hospitality
That's
is
right.
good. The people is good.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? They show you love.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And everybody is very nice.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying? So I love it.
And now what's your name?
They call me JP.
And where you from?
Vegas. You heard me? You know how they say down south? You heard me?
It's a wrap.
Hey!
LasVegasBlackImage.com.
Las Vegas.
Las
This
Vegas
is my
Image
partner,
Magazine.
JP. This is my partner, Jay Measy. I got Warren. This is my partner, Iron Mike Tyson.
After he lost to Lennox.
Iron Mike Tyson.
That's it. It's a wrap.